Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to Venmo yourself money. So in order to Venmo yourself, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now unfortunately you cannot Venmo yourself directly. Now Venmo does not allow user to send money to themselves. This is because Venmo is peer-to-peer payment platform designed for sending and receiving money from other people. However, there are few workarounds you can use to Venmo yourself. The one workaround is you can use a second Venmo account. You can send money from your first Venmo account to your second Venmo account, and then send money from your second Venmo account back to your first Venmo account. And another workaround is that you can use a third-party services such as PayPal or Cash App. You can send money from Venmo to PayPal or Cash App and send money from PayPal to Cash App back to Venmo. So that's how you can Venmo yourself. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.